My beloved child, do not move away from this screen right now. I need you to completely halt what you are doing. Place your hand over your heart and breathe. You did not stumble across this video by some random twist of fate or a digital algorithm. Your soul was pulled toward these exact frequencies because the unseen realm around you has aligned to deliver an urgent message. There is an unmistakable stillness surrounding you at this very moment. That heaviness in your chest, that sudden awareness that something vital is occurring right now, is your spirit responding to divine authority. Archangel Michael stands before you as the great shield and defender of your life. He has positioned his celestial armor around your energy field to block every distraction and silence every noise of the physical world. He reveals that a soul connected to you, someone you loved unconditionally, who transitioned beyond the veil, has urgently stepped into your spiritual space. They have been trying to reach through the noise for days, seeking a moment when your mind would quiet down enough to hear the truth. This is not mere chance. This is an intentional divine appointment. If you disregard this moment, you risk walking past a warning that was delivered through powerful intercession. Your logical mind might try to dismiss this and tell you to keep scrolling, but your intuition is speaking louder than your doubts. The one you lost, whose memory you carry every single day, went before the heavenly gates to intervene on your behalf. They stepped forward because a critical situation is quietly developing behind your back. Conversations are taking place behind closed doors that affect your tomorrow. Hidden motives and subtle arrangements are forming that threaten to disrupt your peace and derail your path. From their vantage point in the light, your loved one sees the entire landscape clearly. They see the shadows, the insincere intentions, and the disguised traps that your physical eyes cannot see. Archangel Michael steps forward with absolute clarity to declare that this is your critical moment of awareness. You are being prompted to pause before making a decision that carries hidden consequences. Have you felt an unexplainable hesitation lately? Have you felt a sharp, persistent tension in your stomach when certain plans are discussed? That is not random doubt. That is your loved one waving a spiritual banner to keep you from stepping into a snare. The divine wants you to be aware, grounded, and protected. A false opportunity or an insincere alliance is presenting itself as a breakthrough, but beneath the surface lies a heavy cost. The spiritual realm is stepping in to unveil the deception before you make a commitment that drains your energy, your joy, and your resources. Your loved one is standing right by your side, placing their hand on your shoulder to steady your courage. They want you to know that true blessings bring peace and clarity, not hidden pressure or silent confusion. Archangel Michael is lifting his sword of discernment to illuminate every corner of your path, making sure that what is hidden in darkness is brought directly into the light. Stay focused and keep your spirit open as we uncover the exact signs of this warning and prepare your heart to receive the true victory that is waiting for you. Archangel Michael steps forward with absolute authority to dismantle every illusion surrounding your current circumstance. The situation or connection that has appeared so attractive on the surface is not what it claims to be. It has been designed to mirror your deepest longings, appealing directly to your areas of fatigue, your longing for companionship, or your desire for financial relief. But a painted doorway is not an open door. It is merely an illusion painted upon a solid wall. Your loved one in the spirit realm sees the fragile facade and is whispering directly into your conscience. Do not rush into what has not been tested. Truth welcomes questions, and genuine integrity never panics when boundaries are established. The moment you take a step back to pray, reflect, and seek wisdom, you will see the subtle shift in demeanor. You will notice where impatience replaces kindness, and where hidden conditions begin to emerge. That very revelation will serve as your absolute confirmation that heaven has shielded you from unnecessary sorrow. Archangel Michael is swinging his blade of light to sever every unseen tie that seeks to bind you to a counterfeit path. When God asks you to loosen your grip on something counterfeit, it is solely because heaven is preparing your hands to receive the authentic harvest standing directly behind it. The void left by turning away from a hollow promise will instantly become a sanctuary filled with genuine restoration, sustainable abundance, and deep, unshakable peace. Within the coming days, clarity will wash over your entire being like a rushing stream. You will see words align with actions, Inconsistencies will rise to the surface, and your spiritual discernment will be permanently sharpened. You will walk away from this encounter not broken, but fortified with divine wisdom and unyielding confidence. Your loved one smiles upon you with immense pride, knowing that you chose truth, valued your peace, and honored the protective guidance surrounding your life. A permanent shield of celestial fire is placed around your spirit, declaring complete security over your future, your mind, and your purpose. Lift your chin, step boldly forward with grounded discernment, and know that heaven walks beside you in absolute power and victory every step of the way.